And this is my life, my yappy chihuahua. Are you done? No. It's fine, Dashy. We'll just wait on you till you're done. Hey guys, welcome back. I am getting ready right now to meet my family for dinner and a movie. We are going to Chili's and then going to see the new Aladdin movie. So I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys how I do my makeup for something like that. It is 6 o'clock on a Wednesday. I am not going to be doing a full face of glam to eat a fajita and sit in the dark for 2 hours. But I also don't want to be completely barefaced where my grandmother is asking me if I had enough sleep last night. So I do something that's kind of in between, and I figure this is a good opportunity, so I'm going to jump right into it because I'm actually already late. Okay, so first thing, primer. I always use a primer no matter what. I feel like I can't. I always use a primer no matter what because my skin is like an oil slick and it just is oily always. So I have to do at least a little bit of a primer, otherwise everything slips right off my face. So this is the same as usual. The how is this? The Benefit Porefessional. Ugh, my friend. Okay, I'm actually gonna clip the little bangs back. Usually when I'm doing my makeup, I do my hair first and I roll it all up to look like Martha Washington, and then it's off of my face and then I do my makeup, but I don't have time for that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrated Gel Cream, and this one is in ginger. So I put a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and a lot of the time I will just do that, but since I do have a little bit of discoloration there, I'm going to use my Fiona Styles Matte Finish Foundation with just a little tiny pump of that as well, because I just need a little bit of coverage. I gotta mix it together and just dot it on my face here. Kind of concentrating more on my cheeks because that's unfortunately where I have the most discoloration. Then I'm going to use my MAC, I don't remember, 130 brush, and I just blend it out. Make sure to get into the hairline, kind of stipple over those icky parts there. Up under the eye. I feel like it kind of makes me look a little green on camera, but it really is almost the perfect. I do over my eyelids because I have very veiny eyelids. I don't know if anybody else has that. I can't stand it. I feel like it looks so weird. And then what I'm actually going to do, just because I'm being self-conscious, is take a little bit more of the actual foundation and go on my cheeks right there, because I just... up in my eye. Neck. Okay, moving right along. I'm going to do concealer. I do this pretty much just under the eye. I use my Tarte Shape Tape. What is this one? This one's medium light. Oh, I'm almost totally out of this. Actually, I have to get more. Do like a little there and just kind of on my spots and maybe on my forehead a little bit. Use my beauty blender and blend that in. I'm so excited to see this Aladdin movie. Aladdin was one of my favorites. I'm sure like everybody else, but kind of has a special place in my heart because when I was little, my mom, who is a dance teacher, used to do birthday parties for like students or friends of mine and stuff, and she would dress up as different Disney princesses, and she would go to their party and do like a whole dance party, and it was so cute. And she was always Princess Jasmine because she looked so much like her. So for me, I'm just excited because mama. Alright, so I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. This one's NC42. I kind of run anywhere between 35, NC 35, 40, 42, just depending on time of year. Oh, I did a peel on myself, so I'm a little flaky. Next, I'm going to just use some of my Aquaphor, which is like my favorite. I originally got it for tattoos to put on, but I love it for my lips. Okay, next I'm going to do my brows, which I am going to grab my MAC 266 brush and my Anastasia paint pot in, this one's medium brown. I'm looking at my skin right now and I'm not too happy with it. I definitely need a facial or some major exfoliation. Okay, so then I just use the end of this dog hair, spoolie end of this to kind of brush it through just so it looks a little bit softer, especially in the fronts there. I don't mind the tail, and God, I look at my brows on camera and I feel like they look so much more lopsided because this side is up a little and it just drives me bonkers. I can't even like pay too much attention to that. Next up is Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Spotlight. I love this thing. This is so, kind of exploded, but it's okay. I literally am just going to take it and dot 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nose above my lippy there, and I kind of just use my finger to just tap it in. It's like the most, rather than doing like a whole powder highlight and stuff, I just feel like it looks so much more natural because it's kind of wet. And then what I actually do, if there's enough left on my finger, I kind of just put it right on my lid. If I need a little bit more, you can just grab a little more for that, and I just put that right on there, and it just creates like a really soft, pretty glow. Love this stuff. One of my favorite things I've ever bought. One of my favorites. I just like, oh yes, that way, yes. I'm not really going to do much eyeshadow. I use this soft brown by MAC. This is one of my favorite, like, just go-to quick shadows, and I'm going to use my MAC blending brush. God, these are so faded. 217. I used to have these memorized, and the fact that I don't, just throw a little bit in the crease right there, just to create a little bit of definition. I really was timing myself on this. I'm probably going to go over 10 minutes just because I'm talking and yelling at my dog to stop barking. But when I'm like just on a move and really doing this, it's really 10 minutes. Okay. Next, I'm going to grab the same soft brown. I didn't even need to close that. That was just a waste of a couple minutes there. And I use my little pencil brush like this. It actually has a little bit of like espresso, MAC espresso on it, but I'm going to leave it. And I hit under just to create a little bit of definition under the eye, like that. Ooh, something in my eye. Ow! Next up, mascara. I'm just going to hit my bottom lashes. This is the Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara. I have my lash extensions on right now, so I don't need to do my top lashes. Ugh, I love when I have extensions on. They just make life so much easier. Next, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. This is Morphe M509. A little bit on the, I'm kind of hit right under here, right under my eyes there. Okay, next up I'm going to just do blush, not even going to do a contour. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Petal Power. It's just such a soft, little bit. So next I'm going to take my lip liner, which is the NYX Lip Liner Crayon in Nude Beige. And I do have to get closer for this, I don't know why. And last step is going to just be a little bit of gloss over top. And this is the Boxum in White Russian. I love this gloss. And I just do a little bit of that, just so it has a little bit of something. And honestly, that's probably it. Yeah, I don't think I would do anything else. I'm technically running late, so I would just kind of take these down, zhuzh the hair a little bit, and that's it. This is all they're gonna get tonight. There you go, dog's gonna bark. There it is, quick, simple, ready for the movies. Alright, I actually do have to really go because I'm already late for this movie, but thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll be back soon.